Alright, this is Ryan, and I'm your instructor for this next 5-week course of MA051 Pre-Algebra. I want to make a short video to introduce myself and also help you get acquainted with the course a little bit. Well, first off, I'm Ryan, and I live in Emporia, Kansas. I was a math teacher for about 15 years, and now I work at the central office in the school district. I've been teaching for Butler County for a long time, ever since about 1996. So been around face-to-face, and now I'm on to online. So let's get started. So this is Canvas. Everything you need to do starts in Canvas. So let's click on the course. And then this is where you're going to do the majority of your work, or at least you'll access your work. So a couple of things I want to go over on this is I want to go over simple syllabus. You'll need to make sure you click on that and read your syllabus. Takes a minute to load. Okay, so this is a syllabus. That's me. A couple of things I want to point out to you is here's your grading scale, your certifies, additional learning activities, and module exam. Here's your class schedule. Make sure you print this off so you'll have the schedule so you know when things are due. And note for this course too, there's no calculators. Next place I want to go is I want to take you to announcements. I post a lot of announcements in this course, so make sure you're receiving my announcements via your email, or you come in here and look at them regularly. Like you'll see, there's a bunch here. They're delayed because they aren't posted yet, but they're going to be posted. I will post this video announcement here in a little bit, but you'll see you should have a welcome already. The next announcement will be tomorrow morning. You'll get one about welcome to week 1. And then the next place I want to go is the modules. The modules help you get started. So you need to start right here with begin here. Here's some things about Canvas. Here's begin here. Meet your instructor. Student introductions is a discussion board. Here is a little online contract quiz you need to complete to get that done. And then if you need to take a proctored exam, you can take a look at this area right here. And then the last place I want to go is back up here to Hawks Single Sign-On. Hawks is where you do your work. To access Hawks, you'll click on Hawks Single Sign-On. Click on Load Hawks Single Sign-On window. And then if things are working correctly, it should take you right into your Hawks student portal. So you can access the Hawks. Because Hawks is where you do your work. And here is our class right here. So it should look similar to this. Here is the things that are due. Here's due later on. And you'll do all your work from within Hawks. So if you want to look at like this 1.2 is your first assignment that's due, if you click on it, it'll take you on here's where you learn, here's where you practice, and here's where you do your certify. Certifies are what you have to do to move on to the next part. So again, this is Ryan. If you need me, let me know. I'll talk to you later. Bye.